In this video, we're going to walk you through how to make this easy kiwi-inspired soap bars using melt and pour base and poppy seeds to create that fresh fruit effect in soap form. Let's jump straight in. Start by preparing your workspace. Lay out all the ingredients and tools before you begin, ensuring your mould is clean, dry and ready to be used. Pre-weigh out all your ingredients so everything is ready for when you need it. This keeps the process efficient and consistent. Next, cut 400 grams of soap base into small, even chunks and place them into the microwave-safe jug. Heat in short bursts of 20 to 25 seconds, stirring between each interval until the base is fully melted and smooth. Once melted, add 12 grams of summer fruit fragrance oil and gently stir until it's evenly distributed. Then add 2 to 3 drops of PCD green dye, mixing thoroughly until you've achieved the consistent colour. Now stir in 20 grams of poppy seeds. These add gentle exfoliation and create that signature seed effect that gives your soap the distinctive kiwi-inspired look. Now carefully pour the mixture into your mould, filling each one to the top. Then leave the soaps overnight to set and allowing them to fully harden. Once set, gently remove the bars from the moulds and then your kiwi-inspired soap are ready to use, package or sell. And that's it, simple, effective and visually striking soap bars your customers will love. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more soap making videos.